Welcome to our step-by-step guide on creating your Facebook business page. Whether you're a small business owner or an entrepreneur, having a presence on Facebook can greatly expand your reach and connect you with potential customers. So let's get started. Step 1. Log into your personal Facebook account. If you don't have an account, create one by providing your name, email, and a password. Step 2. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Facebook homepage. Step 3. On the right-hand side, click on the down arrow and select Create Page from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Choose the type of business page you want to create. Options include a local business or place, a company, organization or institution, or a brand or product. Select the category that best suits your business. Step 5. Fill in the necessary details for your page, such as your business name, address, and phone number. Step 6. Upload a profile picture for your business page. Make sure it represents your brand and is easily recognizable. Step 7. Add a cover photo that captures the essence of your business. This is a great opportunity to showcase your products, services, or the vibe of your brand. Step 8. Customize your page by filling out additional information such as your website, business hours, and a compelling description that tells visitors about your business. Step 9. Start building your audience by inviting your friends and personal contacts to like your page. Encourage them to share it with their networks as well. Step 10. Begin creating engaging content for your page. Share updates, photos, videos, and valuable information that will captivate your audience. Step 11. Don't forget to interact with your followers. Respond to comments, messages, and reviews promptly, and provide exceptional customer service. Step 12. Promote your page by using Facebook's advertising tools to reach a wider audience and target specific demographics. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating your Facebook business page. Start connecting with your customers, sharing your story, and growing your business today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.